Good morning, students. Now we are going to deal with the last topic of this chapter, that is the word problems. So far we were trying to learn how to add two-digit numbers, its properties, and also we looked just before into the addition of three-digit numbers, its properties, and how to add more than three-digit numbers. Okay, so finally we have come to the final topic of this chapter, that is word problems. So now we are going to understand, if a certain question is given to us, how do we find out the numbers we have to do, with which kind of operation we have to do it. So let us see a example that is given in our text, and we try to find out how we do this operation with the help of this question. So for that, first of all, I will read out a word problem for you. So kindly listen to me. So the question given is, a cricket bat cost 526 rupees, a ball cost 135, and stump cost rupees 260. How much will all the three items cost together? So listen, my dear students, we have been given three things here. First, a cost of a bat. So let us say a cost of a bat. So how much is the cost of a bat? Is this given? It is given 526 rupees. And now a cost of a ball. So a cost of a ball. How much it is given? It is given 135. And finally, a stump cost. A cost of a stump. So stump cost around 260 rupees. So the question is, you have to always remember to identify the question, what they are asking. How much will all these three items cost together? When all these brought together, how much it will cost? So we have been given the certain prices for this thing. We have to find out the total, the together. So total means what? Which operation we have to do? We have to do the addition. So what we have to do? We have to add them together. So how do? We do, first of all, we write them according to the place value table. Then let us see how we will add them. Then we have to put the operation addition. So we have to add them. Let us see how we will get. 6 plus 5 is 1, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 plus 0 is what? We know if you add any number with 0, we get the same number. So we get 11 itself. So since it is bigger than 9, we give 1 here and carry over 1 here. So let us add the rest. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. Again bigger than 9. So rewrite 2 here and give the 1 carry over. So now 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So the total cost is 921 rupees. Okay, this is how we do a word problem. So let us try to find out another example. So let us see, look into another example. So I will read now another example for you. Let us take into the text. So we have in the exercise 2.1, 2.6, we will read the first question. There are 126 mangoes in a tree and 278 apples, 278 apples tree in a field. So how many trees are all together? So let us say the question once again. There are 126 mango trees and 278 apple trees in a field. So how many mango trees? There are mango trees as well as what apple trees are there. Okay, so let us write those names of the trees. So apple trees as well as mango trees. So how many mango trees are there? There are 126 mango trees are there. And how many apple trees are there? 278 apple trees. So the question is, how many are there in all? So total. So that means we have to add. If you want to find the total, what operation we used? We use addition. So what we do? We write these numbers according to the place value table, then we add them. So the operation is addition. We put the plus sign, then we add. So 6 plus 8 is 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. So it is bigger than 9. So we write the 4 here, carry over to 1. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Again it is bigger than 9. So we write the 0 here. We write the 0 here and carry the 1 to here. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So there are total 404 trees in the garden or in the field. There are 404 in the garden. So this is how we do the word problems for the 3-digit numbers. So I hope it is clear for you. Now we will do certain exercises. Okay, thank you.